Hey guys, and welcome to NitroLearn, and today we're going to be talking about a data structure called tuples. So, what is a tuple? So, tuples are very similar to lists, but they have two main differences. The first difference is that it can't be changed. We call this property immutability. Lists can be changed, so they are mutable. Tuples also use parentheses as opposed to lists that use square brackets. So, what methods do tuples have? Tuples have the dot count method, which counts the amount of an item in a tuple. It also has the dot index method, where you can put a character and it will return the first index where it occurs. It has the len method, which returns the length of a tuple, and you can index it. Now, let's do some coding with tuples. So, I'm going to make a tuple called tup1, and we're going to say that this is 1, 1, 2, 3. So if I were to say tup1 with an index of 2 is equal to 7 now, I would get a type error because I can't change it because tuples are immutable. So if I did tup1.count of 1, I get 2 because 1 occurs 2 times. If I do tup1.index of 1, I get 0 because that's the first place that 1 occurs. See, and if I do tup1.index of 3, I get 3 because that's the index where 3 occurs. Now, if I want to find out what is in index position 2, I would do tup1 with an index position of 2, and I would get a 2. So, right now, there aren't too many applications of tuples, but as we go on in your Python career, you will find more applications of tuples. So, just keep practicing and remember these methods. And as always, this was NitroLearn.